Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Today, well, we're in downtown Paphos, or midtown Paphos as we call it, and we're going to go up in this rather nice glass lift. Receive the booth, would you like to go into the lift?
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again. You forgetting my hello
well, I didn't forget about you. I was trying to get you in the lift because otherwise someone will steal the lift.
Yes.
So we are in the lift that's going to take us from the downstairs car park, massive car park down the way, all the way up. Have a look at that for a view. Watching Receive the booth, and if we look out the window, well, what can we see? The blue Mediterranean Sea. Let's follow the rear end of Watching Receive the booth because it doesn't get much better than that. And let's have a look off this viewing platform and have a look down there, because that is the blue Mediterranean Sea kissing and a lapping on the coastline of downtown Paphos. Where are we? Well, we're in Uptown Cafe Nero. Have a look at that. This absolutely spectacular work of art of a coffee shop that's been built at the entrance to the old town, and it truly is one of the greatest, fanciest coffee shops in the world. Receiving the booth?
Well, and I'm amazed how busy it is today. All the people seem to be outside to enjoy this lovely day and to enjoy the nice views.
Yeah, well, it is a very busy Saturday morning in Uptown Paphos. That's the old town of Paphos. Have a look at that. It's one of the main feeding roads into the old town, all the way up from downtown Paphos, and you come up past the Marks and Spencers, and you've got this beautiful galleried platform which has that spectacular view out across the blue Mediterranean Sea. And this galleried platform is the platform to the front of Cafe Nero. Have a look at that. And it truly is a work of art amongst coffee shops, that's for sure. So we are going to enter the old town of Paphos, and we'd like you to come with us. We're going to have a wiggle and a waggle through some of the cobbles, some of the old streets, some of the refurbished buildings and some of the dilapidated buildings. And Watching Receive the booth is probably going to try and get a little bit of money out of my pocket. Receiving?
I'll try to behave today, Mr. Paul, because yesterday you bought me again full of wardrobe of a beautiful outfit, and I will never forget about this yesterday's dress.
There we are. That's the latest purchase of the Watching Receive booth, and I must say it takes your breath away. Truly spectacular outfits. I don't think it gets much better than that. Anyway, we'll wait for the verdict of Dame Anne Bell. She is the fashionist, and she's the lady in charge of letting us know if Watching Receive booth looks right. We're going that way.
As I understood, Miss Anne Bell has a great taste as a lady. And Miss Anne Bell, I'm just talking to you personally. If you don't like something on me, or something that on you in your mind doesn't suit me, I want you to tell.
Now, on another note, before we go and storm the old town, there is a very special person, and it's that very special person's birthday today. Now, are you going to give her a very happy birthday? Here we go.
Well, this is especially for baby Barnhawk, special birthday party day. I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart, Miss Fern. I'm sorry if I cannot pronounce it correct, but I would like you to have the nicest and the happiest, I was going to say wedding, birthday,
that's next.
Birthday you have ever had, and I'm sure that you'll have a great day. Happy birthday again and again. We're wishing you all the love, all the luck, all the blessing and everything you believe in.
So, Miss Fern, have a great night out in Manchester. And Mr. Harry, please take great care of her, because we understand that Mr. Harry is the keeper. So, baby Fern, the Barnhawk amongst Barnhawks, have a great birthday. Yet again, 21 and looks about 12. Have a great day, Miss Fern. Really have a great day. Mr. John, Miss Louise, you can now let her fly away, because Mr. Harry is going to take great care of her indeed, that's for sure. Now, let's go and storm
Yes,
the old
all
town.
the best again and again on your special day, Miss Fern.
Right, Miss Fern, especially for you, we're going to storm downtown, midtown, uptown, Paphos. We're going to go into the old town. Yet again, there is Cafe Nero, young lady roller skating around. This place is a work of art, that's for sure. People come up here to monkey around, and they come up here just to have pictures taken, because it truly is a great, great start as you enter the old town of Paphos. There appears to be a bit of gumbarrowing going on there, a bit of confusion with the driving. There's a guy going up a one-way street. He's actually going the right way, but the lady in the cash guy is actually coming the wrong way. But hey, this is Cyprus. That kind of thing doesn't really matter.
Yeah, but somebody created the accident situation.
It doesn't matter. Let's follow the rear end of shit. You're seeing me out of the booth. There's a lot of people getting frustrated.
I'm sorry,
A lot of
but
people
when
getting frustrated.
he did put the horn, my heart nearly fall down in my panties.
There we go. Right, I'm speechless. Right, we're heading into the old town of Paphos, so stick with us. We're going to go for a wiggle and a waggle. It's that away. Now, the old town of Paphos is somewhere, to be honest, that is, shall we say, overlooked. There are quite a lot of people walking around, as you can see, but if you go down to downtown Cato Paphos, well, you're going to see about 20 to 30 times the amount of people. So what we're trying to tell you is that uptown Paphos deserves that little bit more. Please, please sacrifice a little bit of your sunbathing time and come up into the old town, because it's a great, great place to come. And while you're walking around, by the way, if you're in shorts and a short sleeve top, you'll still get that great, great suntan, and you're still going to get that great view. Have a look at that. All the way down to downtown Cato Paphos. That's the Lighthouse Beach in the distance there. Now, one of our superstars, Mr. Ian, well, he's in Paphos at the moment, and he's been a lot of walking around and monkeying about. He likes to get out and about and have picnics on this beach and that beach. So he decided, in his great wisdom, to walk all the way out to the Lighthouse Beach. And apparently he's walked 7.5 miles in a new pair of shoes. So we feel sorry for your little feet.
Give those tears to me.
Yes, we really, really feel sorry for his little feet. Next time, and I know you're a wise man, Mr. Ian, because you always help us out when we don't know something. So next time, pop along to one of the scooter hire places and hire a scooter. It's so much easier, because we ain't walking, that's for sure. Receiving?
Yes, I'm more than sure. Yes, the next time we will be more wiser.
Yes, he's going to learn. He's learned the hard way, hasn't he? So, Mr. Ian, I hope Miss Janet's feet are all right, by the way, because obviously I presume she walked with you. But then ladies are far, far cleverer than men. They walk in a different way.
You know, sometimes it can be worse, and from the bad parts of what could happen, he got the best.
Yes, he did. There we are. So we're wiggling and we're waggling in the old town of Paphos. Now, this is a shop that belongs to a friend of ours.
Oh,
We've been here a few times.
I really like this shop.
This is one of our favourite art shops in downtown Paphos. Really, really is a nice place. We'll have a wiggle and we'll have a wander around and see what's new in the world.
I'll tell you, you've seen Denai. Denai. You've always seen Denai.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
Works of art.
I always sit the night.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is probably my English. I'm sorry about it.
No.
I thought you said
Great shop in
she's
downtown
died.
Paphos.
Oh no, I
Right,
realised
you right?
that.
How you doing?
Hello.
Good? There we are. Great
I
shop.
realised that by the television voice.
Of course.
These are done in a kiln, by the way, and then decorated and the wood is burnt. Met the lady who made them last time. Great shop. Great shop. Works of art. This stuff done by an Israeli lady. There we are. So, thanks for let's have a wander. We're now going to wander out the shop. But if you are in the old town of Paphos, please pop into the shop. Great works of art. 7 artists are working together in cahoots, and the price is not expensive. If you want something special commissioned, well, pop in there and they will make that something special for you. There it is. Danae's shop in the old town of Paphos. Hold on, Chrissy LaBouffe is calling me. Let's go and have a look. Yes, Chrissy.
My name's Kathy.
Hi, Kathy.
Hi, Kathy.
So this is what you do, is it?
Yeah, this
Yes.
is what I do.
Ah, there we are.
I do the knitting. I've knitted since I was 5.
Right.
So, yeah.
Lovely.
My
I
God.
can see the quality actually. The quality is spectacular.
And how it comes, is it one? Oh, right.
So these are yours here, basically.
Yeah, they're mine. This is
this
a leather
lady's.
yarn.
So this is this lady's item.
Yeah.
So they're like neck scarves, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, infinity accessory scarves. Wonderful. As you can see, the smaller ones are €10, the larger ones are €18. And I know the camera can't see what I'm touching, but the softness and the delicacy and the intricacy of it is beautiful, truly spectacular. And the lady just told us she's been knitting since she was 5, so not very long, because she's only 22 today.
68 years.
There's a bit of experience in there.
I don't mind
Nice.
what age you are what you are.
And again, I would imagine if there was nothing you fancied, if there were certain colours that you wanted, if you spoke to Kathy,
Yes.
she would make it in the colours that you wanted. Maybe even in a
Yeah.
Welsh flag for me, you never know.
Oh,
There we
yeah.
are, see?
That would be good.
See? She's get some
I might
ideas
even
now.
knit you a dragon.
A dragon.
A dragon, a lion. What is it on the
It's a
Welsh
dragon
flag?
on a Welsh flag.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
dragon.
dragon.
You do me a red dragon on a
Yeah.
green and white background, and I'll
Okay.
buy it for her.
Okay.
There we are. Lovely. Come and see you in a couple of weeks.
All
Lovely.
right then.
Thanks, Miss
Thank
Kathy.
you.
The
Thank
star
you.
amongst stars. Please, if you're in the old town, pop in and see the people. They're great artists. They are doing it for money, obviously, but they're not making money, if you understand. They're all retired. They're all expats from various countries. They've all got together, grouped together, and they're working in a conglomerate, shall we say. And they want to give you something special, and that could be that special gift for you, your loved one, your mother, your grandmother, your granddaughter, your neighbour, your person at work. You see?
This street is becoming more and more beautiful. Every time we come here, something has to be changed. Something always changes. And I realize how different these streets are. Whether they put this lovely furniture around, or they put these nice flowers around, or they put some lights and some lamps, like that one I have. Maybe it was here before, but I have never noticed.
Yeah, all of these streets are being slowly and lovingly refurbished, not just by the municipality, but also by the shopkeepers and the locals alike. Because believe it or not, many of these businesses have apartments above them. Now, the Pain Boys are always on about apartments. Have a look at that one, Jeremy. Have a look at that one, Simon. Very, very nice. In a quaint part of the old town. At night, it'll hustle and it'll bustle quite a lot. But of course, you will be involved in that if you lived here. Have a look at that for a street. Truly adopting the cafe society, that's for sure. And of course, there'll be a bit of monkeying around here, probably till around about 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock most evenings. Maybe on a Friday and Saturday, that a little bit later. But of course, if you're involved in it, you don't really mind it. Receive it?
And I'm crazy of things like that. Very old, antique, should we say? Vitrines.
Retro would be the word.
In pre-last century, it was very, very in fashion. And if you could put the lovely, lovely plates which are that old, people love it. I love it personally. I don't know.
So Christina Booth has stumbled upon a shop selling art, and what she's referring to is this rather nice bureau, as we would call it, display cabinet from the olden times, shall we say. But of course, we all understand now that these things are coming very, very much back into fashion. If they are authentic, they're worth a small fortune, and if they are made by custom joiners, well, yet again, they're going to cost you a small fortune. So we're wiggling and we're waggling in the old time. If you want to come back for the next video, we're going to be wiggling and waggling that way. But at this time, it's time for the very, very big goodbye. We'd like to say thanks for watching, and of course, if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and please come back for that little bit more of our madness.
And thank you very much again and again for your time, attention, for your all love you providing, and we can feel it. Many thanks again and again, and thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thousands of times. We are humbled that we got all of you, and please don't forget to come and see another of our madness.
And one final happy birthday to the baby Barnhawk, Miss Fern. Mr. Harry, look after, because we know you're a keeper.
Happy birthday to you.
Thanks for watching.